Hi everyone! So today we are playing a game, and I'm sure most of you have played something similar, be it the good old-fashioned hangman version. I know sometimes another way to play is with like a tree, either adding apples or taking them away, or other different variants of it. Well, today we are going to build a dancer. You're going to have a sequence of spaces, so that way you can fill in your phrase just like you would play the normal game. And in this case, I built us a stage. Now, I kind of already pre-drew this, but I gave our dancer some setup. So we have a staging area. And to just give you an example of how to play, I already drew our ballet dancer. You can make it either a ballerina or a dancer, whichever you feel like doing. Get creative. Maybe give yourself a backdrop in there. You have all kinds of different options. Make it fun. So whatever letters you do not get correct, we write them on the side, and then we give our dancer a different body part. So I made mine a ballerina. You could do tap if you so choose. Maybe you're doing a hip hop dancer. Get some funky groove arms in there. Whatever floats your boat. So each time you want to add something else, I gave us a tutu and some point shoes for every single letter we get wrong. And over here, you want to be able to spell your phrase out. So in the end, you should be able to guess what it is. And I hope all of you guys are epic at this point. I know we spent a lot of time trying to get creative in different things we can do, and we just want you to have fun in a different way to still keep dancing your life. So enjoy the game, and I will see you tomorrow with another one.